First, make sure the nozzle check is good. It's the first step. Okay. Password. X model. Click check. This is the Y model. We check the Y model paragraph, the gear ratio. We set the target move is 100 meter and check the click the move. Mark the start position. And click the move. So this is start and this is the end position. Use the meter to check the length. It should be 100 millimeter. But actually it's not 100, so we input the value and click the calculate. Save it. 再找一个是吧 ？OK， 来，移回去。And now we check again. This is the start position. Move. This is 100 millimeter, so it's okay. Now this is okay. And this common setting, you no need to change this. Just use the default. It doesn't influence the calibration. Adjust and step adjust. Click the print adjust. Check the best alignment position. It should be a 0. Now you can see the 0 position is the best alignment. So it's okay. And now is the head space and the horizontal. Print adjust. And you can see we still that the 0 is best, but now it's about 5. 5 is the best. So input 5 here. Okay. We can adjust again. Zero is the best. You see, this is not good. 0 is best. So now this is okay. And go to the right distance. we also print adjust. You can see 0 is not good. Also the 5 is best. So here also F5 is 60. Okay, try again. Now you can see 0 also. This is best, so it's okay. And now the horizontal is already finished, the left distance and right distance. Now we check the calibrate the vertical. Vertical we also calibrate the H2. Print adjust. We can see the best one. It's not good. It's about -4. This one is the best. Or -5. It's 2. So we change this value to 400. Okay, and check again. Now 0 is the best. 0 is the best. Now it's okay. The last one is the bidirectional. We also check again, print adjust. We should check the best alignment is about -2 is the best. You see, we find -2 is best. So -2 1 is 10. I need to check again. Now it's the 0. Now 0 is the best, so bidirection is already okay. So